Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your smart TV in 2026. So, if your TV is freezing, running slow, or apps aren't working properly, a reset can often fix the problem. First, grab your remote and open the settings menu on your smart TV. Yeah, you can usually find this from the home screen or quick menu. Next, scroll to General Device Preferences or System. The name may vary by brand. This is where the reset option is usually located. Now, look for Reset Factory Reset or Reset to Initial Settings. This option will erase your apps and settings and return the TV to default. When prompted, enter your TV PIN. Yeah, if you never changed it, the default is often 4 zeros. Next, confirm the reset and wait for the TV to restart. The process usually takes a few minutes, so don't turn off the TV during this step. After the reset, follow the on-screen setup to reconnect Wi-Fi and sign back into your apps. Your TV will now run like a fresh device. And that's it. You've successfully reset your smart TV. Yeah, this should fix most performance and app issues. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides.